https://udo.b/0yt89999tla. So far, 2023 has been a relatively good year for the Shiba Inu. Sure, it has yet to repeat what happened in 2021, but things are definitely better than in 2022. The ecosystem is expanding and getting some very important mainstream recognition. Recently, the recognition came from the trillion-dollar investment banks, and you can imagine how well that recognition would result in relation to the price of SHIB. Well, you don't need to imagine that because we're going to talk about it in today's video. Disclaimer: to start, the whales were going crazy at the Shiba Inu. I mentioned in a video yesterday that the largest Ethereum whale was using this period of relatively stable SHIB price as an opportunity to buy more SHIB tokens. As of yesterday, 2 whales have purchased a total of 17 billion tokens, pushing the cumulative value of the top 100 Ethereum whale SHIB wallets to $600 million. Well, it's a new day, and the whale's interest in grailing hasn't waned. In fact, it has increased a lot. Only one whale, Blue Whale 73, has bought 311 billion SHIB in 2 lump sums. The first deal saw the famous whale buying about 194 billion SHIB at a value of about $2 billion, and the second deal saw the whale buying about 117 billion pieces of SHIB at a value of about $1.1 million. Once again, this whale took advantage of the low prices to stock up on its SHIB. This is something that has become to be expected given that the lower price guarantees that you will be able to get a lot of tokens for less. This way, when the price of the token pumps, you automatically make a huge profit. Having said that, please do not take this financial advice into consideration. Make sure to do your own research. By the way, the interest of whales. It can be attributed to a number of factors, one of which is likely the many evolutions that have taken place in the ecosystem. I mean, recently Bioeconomy Global, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, introduced SHIB futures trading by adding a USD SHIB trading pair. This pair is a perpetual future with up to 50x leverage depending on the economy. Global is the most recent exchange to recruit SHIB to it. There have been other exchanges recently. In addition, within the ecosystem itself, we have updates on the metaverse game and Shiba Inu, and there was also an update to launch Shibarium before the end of the year. Add this to the fact that SHIB are very popular on social media and Google searches, and you can see how active the Shiba Inu is and why whales are so interested in it. Meanwhile, experts predict a 350% jump in the Shiba Inu. In context, the price of SHIB increased by around 85 million% since its launch in August 2020 until it reached an all-time high in October 2021. This is how a number of people have been able to turn their $100 investment into making millions. And although it cannot be expected that it will repeat 85 million%, experts believe that it is possible to pump more than 100%. Finder Panel is the team of experts that makes this prediction. But before we get into that, this channel is giving away a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB for a chance to participate in the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. I miss Shiba Inu. Good luck! The Finders Committee believes that within 30 months the price of SHIB could rise by approximately 350% as shown in the Watch or Guru. The committee stated that SHIB are unlikely to roar like they did in 2021, although they can ride the future waves of the cryptocurrency market. SHIB can be a good investment. The growth potential is more than 100% in the next few years. However, you should know that the Seeker's prediction was made before Shibarium was launched. However, with the current success of Shibarium beta puppy networks and the promised burning of SHIB tokens by Shibarium, the situation could change quickly. If the panel takes into account how Shibarium improves the viability of SHIB, they may make new predictions and adjust their price forecasts accordingly. Instead, this expectation is still fine. I mean, it kind of hints that the 10-cent stream is a lot further than we want it to be, but you have to admit that a 350% increase in SHIB prices is still quite impressive. Imagine that the value of your portfolio increases by 350%. That's a lot of money, isn't it? However, it is important to keep in mind that this is only a prediction. There's no way to know for sure how things will turn out. If you found this really helpful, please leave a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, which helps me continue to increase the quality of my videos. Now to the main news. Two of the largest and most respected financial institutions in the world have shown interest in cryptocurrency, including SHIB. BlackRock Inc. Fidelity Investments is taking a leap into the crypto market. And given that they have $14 trillion in assets under management, you know that their participation in the crypto market will be financially good for the Shiba Inu market. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink spoke about the company's decision to get involved in the crypto market in his annual letter to shareholders. He noted that the company pays attention to the interests of its customers, which is why it continues to explore the digital asset ecosystem. But this isn't the first time BlackRock has shown interest in cryptocurrency. In 2022, the company partnered with Coinbase, but decided to get more involved. On the other hand, Fidelity is wading into the crypto waters for the first time. Fidelity has launched crypto, allowing tens of millions of customers to buy and sell cryptocurrency, including SHIB. However, he laid the groundwork at the end of 2022 when he filed 3 U.S. trademark applications. According to the Dales report, the apps referred to cryptocurrency trading, metaverse investment services, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, and virtual real estate investment. All of these regions are poised for hypergrowth in 2023 and beyond. Notably, industry giants such as BlackRock and Fidelity are embracing the future by fully committing to cryptocurrencies and digital assets. For example, both companies will make huge profits when SHIB or any of the other cryptocurrencies see a price hike. But more than that, their decision to enter the cryptocurrency market proves that the crypto market is legit, right? I mean, why would huge financial investment firms like BlackRock and Fidelity enter the cryptocurrency market? BitPay just announced on Twitter that its users can buy gold with cryptocurrency, including SHIB. Given that gold and silver are now legal tender in Arkansas, you may want to consider actively hoarding gold. Well, if you are. There are 2 main ways you can buy gold with SHIB thanks to BitPay. One way to do this is to buy gold from reputable merchants who have partnered with BitPay to accept the payment, and the Apex American Gold Exchange Bullion Exchange and the Best Bullion are some of the merchants who accept SHIB payments for gold. Alternatively, you can make your purchase with a BitPay card. You'll need to do this if you're considering buying from a dealer who doesn't accept SHIB. It's probably easier to do that too, but you might also want to consider spending more SHIB to increase its use cases. In other news, if Shiba Inu hits 10 cents, how many tokens do you need to make? $10 million. No one knows exactly when or even if it will hit 10 cents. But the development team is working hard to make it possible, and even the community has been doing its bit. So it's not entirely unrealistic for SHIB to hit $0. 1. And if that's realistic, you want to know how many tokens you need to make max profit to get ready for SHIB to hit 10 cents. You'll need to inject about 99,000% of its current price. And if you want to make up to $10 million by the time that happens, you'll need to have a SHIB purse worth about $11,000. $11,000 will get you about 1 billion tokens, which is definitely a lot of tokens. Many people own millions of tokens. In fact, more than half of the SHIB-owning community owns millions of SHIB. But there are not many people who own billions of SHIB. However, now that you know how many tokens you need to get to $10 million when you hit $0.1, you can probably start taking advantage of the price drops along the way. We don't want that to happen. Instead, you can still make millions of dollars, even if you don't reach $10 million. Your $1,000 SHIB will be worth about $1 million. If the SHIB finally gets to 10 cents, you can do all the math for all the amounts in the middle. However, this is not financial advice. I'm in no way telling you what to do or not to do with your tokens. Make sure you do your research before making any kind of financial decision. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's spread this news out there.